happy Monday. We are here at El Agave to go eat dinner. Got the kids. Everybody is knocked out. It feels so good outside. It's 68 degrees. It feels amazing. It's like park day. Like we should go to the park. But yeah, I'm so hungry. I have not eaten all day. I'm supposed to go out today to get a gift for Selena for her birthday, but I don't even know if I'm gonna do that or if I have time. So I may have to use Amazon, y'all. I may have to because there's no way I can go when she's not with me. Like I have to order online somewhere to get her something, or I may not just give her anything at all and just wait till the day of her birthday and have her to go pick out something. You know what? I may do that. We haven't made a move or got out because they're knocked out. Hi. This way, this way. Okay, so we're here in CVS since I gotta get my essentials somewhere, y'all. So here to get my essentials. Even though I feel like it's gonna be more expensive in here. But yeah, so let's go get that. I have not been in here in forever. Yeah. Okay, come on. Okay. Makeup wipes. Let's see. Sensitive skin. See, I always use the Honest makeup wipes. And there's only one store that sells it. If y'all, I'm scared to put this on my skin. And these right here. This brand burns my eyes. I don't know why. Oh my gosh. This brand right here, the Neutrogena, they burn my eyes. Spray on body hair removal. Okay, you guys, so Paulina's teacher has been out since Friday. She has the flu. She confirmed it today because she was out of school today. So we are looking for some get well cards for her. Paulina wants to give her a card. I thought it was a good idea. And I think she'll be out. Oh, this is blank, honey. There's nothing inside. I think she'll be out until probably like Wednesday or something. If she has the flu, she'll probably be out for a while. So we're going to get her a card. And yeah, just see. I'll just let Paulina write in there. You see another one you like?
What says?
Think of you and wishing you all the warm and fuzzy feelings you need right now. Cute. You want that one with the heart? You want to write in it? You want to write on this side? Get well. Okay, let's get the envelope that's behind it. Okay.
It's raining a little bit.
This is not for you.
Brown chicken's my favorite.
It is?
Yeah, because I pop in chocolate.
You guys, happy Wednesday and happy birthday! It's Selena's birthday, y'all. It's Selena's birthday. We are out and about. It is 8:50 and we are first heading to Dunkin' Donuts to get her those Valentine's Day heart donuts because you know they didn't have them there last time. So we're gonna go and pick that up, and then we're gonna go to like the play place later, and then I'm gonna go take her shopping to get her what she wants from the store. Well, I am actually gonna meet my mom too while we're at Dunkin' because she is making the cupcakes. So you know she's making the cake and she's making the cupcakes. So that's what she's doing. I'm gonna give her the stuff for the cupcakes, and then yeah, we'll get this day started. I'm gonna do 2 heart pinks. Go to another aisle. Hey, so we're back home. Actually, we've been home. I'm just now picking up the camera, but so I'm about to go ahead and order pizza from Papa John's. That's what she wants today to eat for dinner. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'm gonna like not refresh them, but like get rid of these oils while I'm ordering this pizza. So let's do that together.
To place a new order, please press 3. For store hours, this call may be recorded for quality and training purposes. Is this for delivery or carry out?
Carry out.
Is this for delivery or carry out?
Carry out.
Is this Danielle Steele?
Yes.
Our goal is to provide best-in-class customer service. To help us improve.
Thanks for calling Papa John's. Let's get started with your order. Alright, thank you for choosing Papa John's. Connecting now to our survey. Enjoy.
Thank you. before she was done. I'm not doing a survey. But yeah, today was so fun. Selena had a blast, y'all, at the play center. That was our first time at that play center. She had a good time and she loved it, you guys. What else? We are celebrating today, but we're not. So we're gonna do like a little mini celebration for her on Friday because my mom will be off, my husband will be here, so we'll be able to do something for her as far as like cakes and stuff like that for her. We may have guests over. I don't know if my husband's gonna have his friends over with their kids. So we don't really know. So I'm about to go ahead and get this pizza because we live, you know, by the time I get there, it'll be ready. So and then they were saying they want like ice cream. I don't know, we'll see. Good morning, you guys. Happy Friday. As you can see, I have the table set up where I'm gonna put Selena's birthday cake and her decorations and stuff. So down here, you can see I have like the helium tank for the balloons, and oh, you can see what the chicken looks like. This is so cute. So I need to put some more helium in here because it's just laying down. Then her number 4 balloon, which I'm gonna blow this up, but it's huge, y'all. Let's see. So here's the balloons. I think y'all already seen that. And then the banner, I have to put that up. Her dress. And then I have the cake stand, and I wanted to see, like, I went ahead and brought out the animals because I wanted to see how I was gonna like put the animals on the birthday cake, but I don't know. It's gonna be so cute, y'all. I'm just so excited. This is gonna be so, so cute. So you guys, I moved the table that was right here. I moved it over here. And yeah, so we can have more room. But this is what it's looking like. I need to actually finish cleaning up the kitchen. Like the stove, all of this is clean. A few dishes over here. And then when you come over here, y'all, don't mind all this mess. I gotta wash these pots and pans. I don't know if we're gonna have guests over. I'm just gonna continue to clean the house and stuff and get it together just in case we do. But yeah, I'm so excited, you guys. But yeah, let me go ahead and finish cleaning up and I will check back in once I'm done. You guys, hey you guys, it is, y'all, happy Saturday everyone. Hey y'all, let me get my words right. It is Saturday, okay y'all, and it is 77 degrees. I'm not lying, y'all. It is 77 degrees. 77 It's 77 degrees. It is warm out here, very warm. Like I am but anyway, so I am here in the car. Oh, hold on y'all, I'm alone, don't have any kids with me. You and I are headed to the Lunar Festival. I think it's the Lunar Festival. I don't know if I had to buy a ticket online or if I can pay there. I'm pretty sure I can pay when I get there, but we'll see. I just have like this t-shirt on and some jeans and some Converse, just real cool, comfy. And I'm about to jump on the interstate, so I'll see y'all once we get to the place. Hopefully I can pay when I get there, so we'll see y'all. Okay, there's cars everywhere, so let's try to find a parking spot. Y'all, I don't even know how to get in here. I need to hurry up so I can follow these people. Let me check my purse and make sure I don't have any weapons in here. because I know they're probably going to check bags and stuff. There's a lot of people here, y'all. What is this? I need to pull this out. Okay. Let me hear it, y'all. I gotta follow them. I don't know where I'm going. Okay, so I'm assuming we walk through here. The parking lot is behind me. Back there. Let's see.
Yeah, we're cooking. Yeah, we're cooking before inside.
Let me ask you what you're cooking.
Just one. Okay. I'm gonna be. Thank you.
Just hit the button, the orange
It's
button.
already recording.
Oh, okay, okay, great.
Is it red?
Yes,
Red? Okay,
yeah.
Okay. Thank you. I am back in the car. I had a good time. Oh, I'm so hot, y'all. I got the AC on. Can y'all believe that? I have the AC on. It's that hot out here. I am sweating, but anyways, let's see. I am about to leave. I had to leave before 6 o'clock because, as you can see, it's dark and it's getting dark out here. So I'm like, yep, no. I parked. Y'all saw how far I parked. Like, I had to walk around the entire building to get over here. So I was, you know, you gotta be smart now. I'm not walking back to the parking lot by myself. So, and I have to take all my weapons out of my car because I thought they were doing a purse check. I thought they were going to be checking purses and bags. Y'all, they weren't checking no bags, no purses. They weren't checking nothing. So I was like, yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and leave a little early. But I didn't find anything for the kids. I didn't find anything for myself. I didn't eat because I'm not that hungry, really. I did find some, I saw one guy had like this little dragon toy. It lights up or whatnot, and the kids can like hold it with a stick. And I was like, oh my god, that'll be so cute for the kids. And I asked him where he got it from, and he was like, oh, there's a cart going around. I was like, yeah, I'm not gonna walk around looking for this cart. But I did go to the kids section. They had like face painting, all kinds of fun stuff. But yeah, I want to get that for the kids so bad. Y'all know the little dragon thingies. I want to get that. I need to open up the card this lady gave me. I know my zodiac, or I don't know what you call it, like horoscope, Chinese horoscope. I know it. I'm a rooster, and I know this. It says it's gonna be a good year for me. But I'm gonna open up that little paper that she gave me just to see. But yeah, that's all. I'm on the road, y'all, so I will just check back in later. I don't know where I'm gonna do next. It's raining now, so I don't know. I'll just check back in if I'm going home or going somewhere else. But okay, bye. Hello, I just pulled up. You here? I thought I was going home, but I'm actually meeting my mom here at Hobby Lobby. And I didn't know it was raining on this side of town. I don't have anything for my head, y'all. I don't have nothing. My hair is finna poof back up. So I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna do. She gave me a umbrella, but I don't even know where I even put that. I'm gonna have to run in here. Whew. Oh goodness, I feel like, oh, this is so nice.
So cute.
Hold on.
Yeah, they ain't got no.
Oh, this
Ain't got no tea.
$8. $10, $9. Oh, 40% off. There you go. $9.
This is cute.
Yeah.
That's a D. That's D.
What it is cute, that pink one. This is so cute. Do I need it? Do I need it? Oh. Paulina need a Valentine's Day mailbox. I guess they're gonna be giving each other like little Valentine. Yes, they can decorate it. So if we in here, I could try to find something and get some bags together for the class. Purple is a little bit more sophisticated, you know, like a little bit more. Just do purple and gold.
Purple and gold will be good.
It's a little more mature. You guys, okay, you guys, this is what my mom is gonna make. We're in the cake aisle.
It's similar to this.
Yeah, it's gonna be similar to that. Good thing everything's 50% off.
Flowers.
Yeah, we're gonna go in the flower section.
Okay.
Like she like, oh, that's cute.
You want this?
You want, yeah, and get the letters so she can put her name on her mailbox. She has to have her name. Uh-oh.
I'm sorry.
So,
Something on that.
yeah, maybe like some fuzzy thingies. I'm trying to see what else she can do. Put on there to decorate with. But I think that's good enough, ain't it?
Yeah, but for the mailbox.
Yeah,
I'm
for the
talking about
mailbox.
For the kids. You know,
Oh, here's like
the bag. You gotta do boys and girls.
32. Oh yeah, you're right. Boy.
They got it.
Right. Paulina has to decorate her mailbox for school, you know. They're going to be putting their cards in the inside. She's getting that together. She's putting her name in her mailbox so everyone will know it's hers. I think she should put it on the side too, right here. This won't stay closed. So I thought it was a good idea to just put it in the inside. And then maybe she'll put it on the side as well.
Can I see it? Can I put it there?
Yeah, go ahead. Okay, so this is an update on Paulina's mailbox. She's doing a good job. It looks so cute, Mama. And this is the other side. Looks cute. So right now, I guess she's just decorating some more in the inside. And well, these hearts, she's just putting hearts in the inside. So cute. I think this should be enough space for all the Valentine's Day cards. She painted the door as well. It's so cute. So, yep, this is it.
Will I be known and loved? Is it one that I trust? Starting to sober up. Has it been long enough? Will I be